is still something to keep an eye out for. You don't mind if I highlight that, do you? Definitely highlighting that. Okay, it's a bit too far for the thing, so save highlight. Yeah, that first highlight was a mistake, but I'm still gonna do it. Still gonna have that public. Because I need as much videos on YouTube as possible with this damn recession. So. But yeah, that was some beautiful lightning. Yeah, going live right now was a good idea. Going live right now was a good idea. I was debating on doing that or going back to sleep. I made the right choice. Yeah. I mean, I was asleep from like, what, like 10:30 to 4. That's a good amount of sleep, right? I'll be fine for the day. Yeah, my sleep schedule's gonna go to crap right now with the stress of the session because, yeah, gonna be sharing a podcast that I watched, last night when it was live, with Roberto Blake. Emergency podcast because creators how to survive the recession. Basically let natural selection take its course, take out the ones that are forced to leave the business, and take their place, honestly. That's basically what I'm getting out of that. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured would happen, considering the last recession, YouTube was in its infancy, so not really much there. But it did pave the way for creators like PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, Shane Dawson to take over the platform, basically. And, well, it's just figuring it out from here on out, so. But just figuring this out. Got some horses in the distance. See if I knew where that frog went, I probably would have picked him up. Show you guys what I'm talking about. So. But yeah. Couple highlights for a stream, that's not bad. Only 7 minutes in. And it's supposed to get a little crazy throughout the next hour or two, so. But, yeah. Can't really complain. We're doing good right now, so. Yeah. Phone's buzzing about something. Yeah. Nothing important. No severe warnings or anything like that. There's like a 1.3 quake near Minto, Nevada, but that's about it. It's a bit chilly right now. And honestly, I'll take a little bit of chilly. I'll take a little bit of that, too. But in all seriousness, I'll take a little bit of chilly compared to what the fuck we're going to be having later on. Some models are trying to bring us into the 120s, but the forecast so far is having us around a 102 throughout the next couple weeks, and it's like, no. No. I wanted a summer like 2019, not 2012. No. Just, no. We don't need that. We don't need that. This La Nina's gone long enough, and I'm highlighting that. I don't care.